King Charles made a show-stopping entrance at the Gladiator II premiere in London, arriving in style in his Bentley limousine to meet with Hollywood's finest and celebrate British cinema. With Queen Camilla recovering from a chest infection and absent from his side, Charles led the glamorous evening alone, mingling with stars and paying tribute to the UK's vibrant film and television industry. Arriving at Leicester Square's Odeon Lock Cinema, King Charles was met with a warm welcome, looking every bit the part in a sleek black tuxedo and bow tie. The 75-year-old monarch took the spotlight, graciously greeting the cast and crew of Gladiator II, including the film's acclaimed director, Sir Ridley Scott, and a stellar cast featuring Paul Mescal, Pedro Pascal, Connie Nielsen, and Denzel Washington. Although Queen Camilla had to pull out of the event due to her ongoing chest infection, she made a brief appearance earlier at a Buckingham Palace reception, apologizing to Sir Ridley for missing the premiere. Charles, meanwhile, stepped up with ease, sharing warm exchanges with the cast and joking with Washington, whom he asked, "Are you playing someone terrible?" The actor's playful reply, "I'm a lovely man, you'll see," brought a smile to the king's face. The night began at Buckingham Palace, where Charles and Camilla hosted a reception in honor of the film and TV charity's 100th anniversary. As patron of the charity, Charles continued his late mother's legacy, extending his support to an organization that provides crucial mental health, legal, and financial assistance to the UK's film and television professionals. In a touching moment, Charles spoke with two of the filmmakers behind Camilla's recent documentary on domestic abuse, expressing that he had been moved to tears by the work, revealing his deep admiration for his wife's dedication to such important causes. Camilla, despite her illness, mingled with notable figures including Claudia Winkleman, Gurinder Chadha, and the cast of Gladiator II before she was forced to leave early to prioritize her health. Charles's dedication to the evening extended well beyond mere appearances. He shared in conversations with a variety of attendees, including British star Henry Golding, who expressed his happiness about returning to the UK after years in LA, and other iconic figures like M.O. Gilligan, India Amartifio, and Emily in Paris star Lucien Laviscount. Charles also marveled at the costumes and props from classic films such as Titanic, Master and Commander, and Dame Maggie Smith's iconic attire from Evil Under the Sun, all displayed at the palace. The evening was a celebration of not only the blockbuster Gladiator II but also of the talented individuals who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to bring stories to life. As Charles settled in to watch Gladiator II with stars and creatives, the evening stood as a testament to his commitment to supporting the UK's entertainment industry, honoring both its past and present contributions. With Queen Camilla recuperating and their joint engagements adjusted accordingly, the king continues to lead with grace, humor, and heartfelt connections. As he transitions into a new era of the monarchy, Charles's dedication to arts and culture highlights the vital role of film and television in uniting people, reminding all of the power of storytelling and creativity in British life.